Welcome back to Car Reviews, where today we're taking a deep dive into a machine that's not just built tough but built smart, the Caterpillar D3 Masheen 2025. This latest model from Cat is a stunning combination of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and surprising touches of luxury. If you ever thought construction equipment couldn't be classy, think again. The D3 Masheen 2025 is here to change your mind. First off, let's talk about that iconic yellow finish. Caterpillar has always been known for its signature color, but the 2025 model takes it up a notch with a deeper gloss and metallic shine that stands out in any environment, whether it's a job site or a high-end showroom. Yes, you heard that right, this machine looks right at home in a luxury showroom, thanks to its sleek lines, modern decals, and precision-built frame. Under the hood, the D3 2025 packs a serious punch. Powered by a high-performance turbo diesel engine, this Dozer delivers smooth, controlled power that's ideal for both light grading and heavy pushing. It's incredibly fuel-efficient for its class, which makes it a top pick for operators who need strength without sacrificing economy. Step into the operator's cabin and you'll be surprised by the luxury feel. The 2025 model comes with a fully sealed and pressurized cab that keeps out dust and noise, offering a peaceful environment for long work hours. Inside, the controls are completely modernized: joystick steering, touchscreen display, digital diagnostics, and even a climate control system. It almost feels like stepping into the cockpit of a premium SUV rather than a bulldozer. One of the biggest highlights is the advanced grade technology built into the D3 Masheen 2025. With GPS-assisted controls, auto blade leveling, and 3D site mapping, it's not just a machine, it's an intelligent earth-moving system. Whether you're building roads, prepping land, or managing a large construction site, this Dozer makes the job faster, more accurate, and way more efficient. But Caterpillar didn't stop at performance and tech, they've also made maintenance easier. Daily checks are simplified with grouped service points, and the cab tilts for easier access to internal components. That means less downtime and more productivity on the field. So who is the D3 Masheen 2025 really for? It's perfect for contractors who need versatility and durability, fleet operators looking to upgrade to smart equipment, or even government projects that require precision grading and reliability. This machine is built to last, built to perform, and now, built to impress. If you're in the market for a bulldozer that delivers on every front: power, comfort, technology, and even a touch of style, the Caterpillar D3 Masheen 2025 is a top-tier choice. Thanks for watching Car Reviews. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the world's most powerful, luxurious, and innovative machines.